How to watch American Netflix? Well, due to some regional restrictions, some of the exclusive American shows or other shows might not be available in your region. For example, in my case, if I open Netflix and searched for a US exclusive show called Charmed, you can see I do not have any search results right here. So what do I do because I'm in Asia and I want to watch American Netflix? Well, it's very simple whether you're using mobile phone or iPhone or Android or PC. Now, if you're using Android or iPhone, download a VPN called Urban VPN. It's a completely free VPN. And if you're on PC, you have to add as an extension. So in the search bar, just go to Chrome webstore.google.com if you're using Chrome. If you're using Mozilla, there is the Mozilla extensions page. If you're using Edge, there is the Edge extensions. In the search extensions, just go ahead and type in Urban VPN proxy. And this is the VPN that we want to add to Chrome. In my case, I have already added them to Chrome. That's why you're seeing the remove button. Now you can see this cloud-like icon right here. You can also pin that Urban VPN and you can just select that Urban VPN. I will simply select United States right here and just hit this little play button, which will connect my internet to a USB VPN. Now that I've connected, let me show you the magic. Previously, I searched for Charmed and it didn't show me the result. You can see other results here. Now I'll just hit the refresh button right here. And now that I've searched for Charmed, the show will actually show up right over here as you can see. So now I can go ahead and then I can begin watching it, and I have successfully enabled American Netflix. Similarly, you can do for other regions as well, and it's a completely free. Of course, there might be a paid version for this, but if you want, you can always just use this for free. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.